Hi everyone, we are back to the course on Excel, spreadsheets, a primer, right? The next topic what you're going to see is sorting and filtering your data. In data manipulation, sorting and filtering plays a very vital role in arranging your data in a sequence, right? Now, you can see the task that we are going to perform today. The sorting, we are going to sort by the data by name, by company name, by name and company name, by city, city and code, postcode, and all those things. And filter, we'll be using these three options, right? To sort your data, make sure that your data is getting selected. To select your data, just use your mouse to select your data. Otherwise, see, you can see all the rules of setting up the data is followed perfectly here. You can see the full name and company name, address, city, and no date. All the data is in vertical format and there is no horizontal format of data. Vertical format represents the variable name is given in the column. Okay, right? To select your data, press Control A, the entire data gets selected. Now, to sort your data, go to Home menu and you can see the editing tab. You can see A to Z. There is a option sort. Okay, there is an option called as custom sort. When you have custom sort, you see sorting is like in case if your data is a text data, then you can sort either ascending order or descending order. Or if your data is in numerical data, then you can sort your data from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, depending upon the data that we can choose our sorting options. Now, what you're going to do is like, what is the first task that is given to us? It is we need to sort our data by name. Now we have selected our data. Now you can see the column. We are going to sort our data by name based on the cell values. There is no cell color, font color, condition formatting available here. Order is A to Z. I'm clicking OK. The moment I click OK, you can see the data is sorted. And this is the result of sorting by name. Now, again, I'm going to sort by company name. You change this full name to company name and then click OK. And your data is sorted based on company name. A is Z Bank, Facebook, Holden, Qantas, and then Tesla, right? And then you need to sort by name and company name. There are two levels of data that you are going to use it here. You're going to use it for the sorting, right? First level is like sort by full name, cell values A to Z, then add another level. Click add another level, then by company name, then by company name, cell values A to Z, click OK. So the first option is like the data will be sorted based on the name, and second, it will be adjusted as per the company name as well, right? Click OK. Now you can see it is sorted as per the name in the first order, and then you can see the Facebook here and Facebook here as well. But the first preference is given to the level 1, that is full name. Now we are going to sort as per the city, right? So going to sort, we're going to delete this, delete levels. We're going to delete based on city. I'm clicking. So based on city, my data is sorted now. Now you can add another level to your data for sorting. Add another level, city and state. So you can add state here and click OK. You get it done. Even you can do it by postcode. Okay, right? Custom sort. I'm deleting all levels. I'm just adding another level. Add the postcode here. You can see the moment I change it to postcode, you can see the order is smallest to largest. It changes automatically because Excel recognizes it as a numerical figure. Click OK, and now your data is sorted based on the postcode. This is the help. This is the usage of sorting. Now we are going to filter our data. Now how we are going to filter? For filtering our data, before do that, okay, right? We will filter our data. Now to filter our data, we have two options. Either you can do it by using a menu or use a shortcut. Now we'll see two ways you can find out the filter option in your menu. One is in the home menu, the same sort and filter editing option, you can see a filter. The moment you click filter, you can see the filter option is added to your headings, your variable names. Okay, you can see it here. I'm just, and this can be used for filtering your data. How to filter your data? I'm just clicking this. You have all the options here. I need the data of employees who are working in Facebook. That's it. So I'm unchecking select all, click Facebook, click OK. The moment I do this, you can see the data of employees working in Facebook alone is displayed over here. Okay, how to make it normal again? I'm just clicking it, select all, click OK. Right? All right. Now, how to remove the filter? Go to sort, again, click this filter. Right? Again, how to activate the filter? What are the other in what are the other menu? You find a filter option. Go to data menu, and you can see the filter option is available here. You can just click filter, automatically the filter button is given. You can see, you can select in all the headings, any headings you can select it, company name, full name, even city. In city you have only unique names, so it's not possible. Now for example, in state I am selecting only NS. Okay, so NS, you can see all these things are displayed here. I'm just clicking filter again, right? What is the shortcut key to activate a filter in your data, right? Very simple, Control, Shift and L. L refers to look. Okay, Control, Shift and L. The moment you press Control, Shift and L, again, it does the same function as the filter function. It just activates, it adds a filter button to your data. Now, we'll see how to remove the blanks in your data. Okay, I'm just clicking, see here. I'm just adding a empty row. Okay, I'm just adding an empty row. How to add an empty row? Just a moment. I'm just selecting this. Control, Shift and plus. Okay, Control plus symbol. When you press Control and plus symbol, automatically a empty row is inserted anywhere, just above the cell you are selected. Okay, Control plus, automatically it inserts a row. Shift plus inserts a column. Okay, now I have inserted a row. Okay, again I'm inserting another row here. See, you have two blank rows in your data. Now what you're going to do is, like, we are going to select the blank rows and delete it so that your data looks intact. Okay, how you are going to do this? Very simple. Go to full name. The moment you select full name, you can see uncheck select all. Go down. You can see the blanks. Blanks is an option that represents there is a blank data in your blank row in your data. Just I'm selecting blanks, click blanks and OK. And you can see the empty rows are selected. Just think of, if you are having lakhs and lakhs and rows of data in your database, it will be very useful. It comes in handy when you are using this function. I'm just selecting these two rows, completely selecting these two rows and deleting these rows. Now these two rows are deleted. Again, Control Shift L, you can see, done. The two blank rows are deleted, and now again your data becomes intact, right?